to 5th Grader Fungi Edition. Today we have Misa Seacamp, the owner of Supercuts. When one thinks of fungi, many times people picture the mushrooms in the store. In reality, those mushrooms are really fruiting bodies produced by the fungus for protection. Most fungi live below the ground. Fungi come in a wide variety of sizes and forms. For example, tiny one-cell yeast are important for baking breads and fermenting wines, beers, and vinegars. There are 6 subgroups of true fungi. Trichids are predominantly aquatic and the only fungi with a flagellated stage of development. Glomeromycota fungi are soil-borne fungi that establish a mutualistic symbiosis relationship with many plant species. Zygomycota, or zygote fungi, are mainly terrestrial and often help plants absorb nutrients from soil. Ascomycota, or sac fungi, vary in habitat and complexity and are poisonous. Basidiomycota, or clump fungus, decompose wood and plant matter and are the most commonly seen fungi, such as the mushrooms you can buy in the grocery store. Mitosporic fungi, or fungi imperfecti, are fungi that are unable to produce sexual spores and are therefore placed in a separate phylum. These asexual states are made up of mostly ascomycetes and some basidiomycetes. Now that was a lot of talking, so let's get started.
The 5th grader I choose is McGuire.
He's a quiet one, but he's quite smart. Nice choice. Question 1, kindergarten. You ready, Nisa? Are fungi more closely related to animals or plants? Okay, answer's in. Nisa said animal. That's correct. Now let's see what McGuire said. Though the appearance of many fungi may resemble plants, they are probably more closely related to animals. Fungi are not capable of performing photosynthesis, so they must get their nourishment from other sources. Many fungi absorb nutrients directly from their soil. Many others feed on dead and decaying organisms, and therefore have an important role in the recycling of nutrients in natural systems. First grade question, Nisa. Is the fungi on the foot of a person with athlete's foot an example of saprophytic fungi or parasitic fungi? You looked less than confident. Would you like to use any cheat?
I'll use a peek, please.
Okay, let's see what McGuire said. McGuire said, the fungi on the foot would be parasitic because it is obtaining nutrients from a living host. All fungi are heterotrophs, gaining nutrients from absorption, but for a fungus to be saprophytic, it would need to secrete enzymes to break down dead organic matter in recycling. And your 5th grader did not let you down. That's correct. Second grade question. Oh, this one looks a little interesting. Draw an example of Ascomycota, sac fungi, Basidiomycota, club fungi, Zygomycota, zygote fungi, Glomeromycota, chytrid, and mitosporic fungi. Would you like to use a cheat?
I'm going to use my copy. I don't even know how to draw them.
Okay. The answers that McGuire got correct. Nice drawing, Snack. Were all of them. You have won $1 million. Then to this 5th grader. You have one more save left. Now, 4th grade question. What are the names of the classes of mitosporic fungi? And what are the names of the classes of freshwater mitosporic fungi?
Oh, I actually know this one.
Yeah? Where did you learn it?
Mrs. Morse's biology class, my sophomore year of high school.
That is awesome. Now lock in your answer. So, what did you say?
The mitosporic fungi are classified into 2 main classes. These include hyphomycetes and coelomycetes. The freshwater mitosporic fungi are classified into 3 ecological groups. These include Ingoldian hymophycetes, aeroquatic hyphomycetes, and dermataceous hyaline metasporic fungi.
Awesome job. We're on to your last grade, 5th grade. 5th grade question. Where are the Basidiomycota found, and how do they affect the environment? And how do they obtain nutrients? Nisa, what did you say?
I said that they are found in oceans and lakes. They help the environment because they release CO2 in the air, and they suck in the dirt and the other things through their roots to obtain nutrition.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Let's see if your 5th grader has saved you. If he has saved you, you can move on to the bonus question and then the $1 million question. But if he is not, you're done. Max said,
Come on.
Basidiomycota are found in pretty much all terrestrial ecosystems. This includes freshwater and marine habitats. They have a huge impact on human affairs and are essential to keep the ecosystem functioning. They obtain nutrition by decaying dead organic matter, including wood and leaf litter. This means Basidiomycota play a significant role in the carbon cycle. Nisa, I'm sorry to say that you have picked the smartest 5th grader in the world. You are moving on. Okay, since you just used your last save, we're going to allow you to have a bonus question. If you get this bonus question correct, then you will get a save that you can use on the $1 million question. Now, here's the bonus question. What is the ascus in an ascomycote, and what do they do? Okay, Lisa, what did you say?
Ascomycota can make spores sexually, and these are called ascospores or myospores. They can also make spores asexually, and these are called condia or mitospores. After meiosis, the ascospores form inside the ascus when new cell walls surround each nucleus. The ascus defines the ascomyota because it is within it that nuclear fission and meiosis take place.
Nice job! You got that right! Alright, Lisa. You've gone this far, so here's the $1 million question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate answer out of the 2 options. More than 5 of these must be correct in order for the player to win the $1 million. Fungi are prokaryotic or eukaryotic. The majority are multicellular or single-celled. An example of a single-cellular fungus is bacteria or yeast. They lack or have chlorophyll. Nutritionally, they are heterotrophic or homotrophic. They digest food outside the body and absorb it. Their basic body plan constitutes a mass of net-like filaments called flagellum or hyphae. The entire mass is called the mushroom or mycelium. Reproduction is accomplished by the release of sexual or asexual spores or cells. Haploid or diploid conditions exist in the life cycles of most fungi. Last question. Conjugation occurs in many fungal species, like Basidiomycota or Zygomycota. Here are Anita's answers. Let's see which one she got right. She got 5 of them right. I'm going to read all of Max's answers and then see which ones are correct. Max said, all those answers were correct. You just won $1 million.
on fungi.